Hello, welcome. My name is David Isamuji. Welcome to another daily t-shirt design tutorial. But no, this is not going to be a t-shirt design tutorial. Yes, if you want to watch t-shirt design tutorial, please head over to my channel and scroll through and watch as much as you want. You make passive income making t-shirt designs and posting your t-shirt design online. I'm going to be doing something differently today, as you guys have been requesting. I'm going to be doing a comparison between the 3 favorite sites I use and 1 I don't use. So it's going to be a Teepublic versus Teespring versus Match by Amazon and Redbubble tutorial. I'm going to be going through them. It's not going to be super in-depth. I'm going to go in super in-depth in upcoming videos. This is just to glance through, so please, if you want to watch and you don't want to miss the super in-depth videos on this various print on demand site, please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, so that you don't miss that when that is out. But for today, it's just going to be a Redbubble versus Teepublic versus Teespring versus Match by Amazon site. So now, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right to it. So I'll just go over the site. So I'll be starting with the registration process. On Teespring, it's not hard to register. It's super easy. You go to log in. If you've not logged in, you just register. I think you can register with Google or Facebook, so it's super easy to register. It's quite easy. It's not complicated. It's never too complicated to do that, so it's quite easy. Likewise with Teepublic. Teepublic is super easy to register with. It's not so complicated. In fact, it's not complicated at all. The same process goes into Teepublic. It's super easy to register on Teepublic. Redbubble, same as Redbubble, super easy. But if you notice, you just have to, this sign up is easy to find. But on Teespring, you have to look for it by clicking login, then click on don't have an account. Same with sign up. So it's quite easy for the first two, for Redbubble and Teepublic, to find the sign up button. But for Teespring, it's not that easy, so you have to look through. But registration process on Match by Amazon, it's not easy. As you can see, it says request invitation. At the beginning, it was super easy to request invitation. Everybody was getting accepted. As I speak to you, I'm not even accepted into it. I won't lie to you. I won't hide anything. It's quite cumbersome trying to get into Match by Amazon. So I just focus on the remaining 3, which is Redbubble, Teepublic, Teespring. So that's it about registration. When it comes to payment method, yes, you can get paid through 2 sources, which are PayPal and I'm trying to get the name now, Payoneer. You can get paid through Payoneer or PayPal, depending on where you are in the world. For citizens in the United States, it's super easy. If you have a PayPal account, you're good to go. But you might still want to use PayPal, so you have to make sure you have global payment set up on your PayPal, because that's the information. Global payment set up on your Payoneer, because that's the information you want to put on your Redbubble. Like I said, I'm going to go in depth on each of these sites, so please subscribe if you've not subscribed. If you subscribe, please just be patient and I will make an in-depth video on this side. For Teepublic, it's same process. PayPal, Payoneer, same process. It's not hard. I think what they've done is that the 3 of them, they've looked into each other, they've spied into each other, and they found the 2 best ways to make payment. So it's super easy. Teespring, same as Teespring, PayPal or Payoneer. So please, if you want to just pick one of these 3, these are my 3 favorites. At the end of this video, if you stick to the end, I'm going to tell you my favorite. For this, I'm not going to talk about Match by Amazon, because yes, I know Match by Amazon. For my friends who are already on Match by Amazon, they use PayPal. They get paid through PayPal and Payoneer too. Yes, I remember that clearly, because I've talked to them in the past, and those 2 are very much available for them, so they make use of that. So when it comes to ease of use, let me go through. the sites again. Ease of use. For Redbubble, I would say it's not complicated. You just have to go to new design and you can copy from your old design. Once you've made your first design, you can just copy, go to the design and click on copy to just recopy. You just have to change some things. But there's something I don't like about it, is that you can't bulk upload, and you don't get recommended tags, so you have to do tag research. You have to do tag research for it. If you're using Redbubble, you have to do tag research. But for Teespring, I love the ease of use. It's super easy. You just click on create design, you can upload design, and on Teepublic you can create bulk design. If you have about 10 design, you can load them up together and just go through them one after the other and put the adequate description, tags, and the rest. And it's super easy to use. Teespring, I would say super easy. You have to go through choosing between if you want a classic shirt, a premium shirt, and all those stuff. So you have to go through those. If you don't know those processes, it's going to be difficult for you. But if you are just doing your t-shirt to sell, then you can just go through with classic shirts. On Match, I think they have just one. I don't know, I'm not too sure. So I think they just have just one when it comes to that. So I don't just know. So tag system. Let me talk about tag system. With Redbubble, you have to make your tag research, like I've already said. You have to go through tag research. So I made a video about that. I'm going to link it in the card somewhere. So you have to go through tag research. To find the best tag for each of your designs. But something unique about Teepublic is that once you put in it's going to give you a space where it says put in your main tag. Once put in your main tag, e.g. cat, the next column under where it tells you put relevant tag, if you just click on it, it's going to give you recommendations. So you just click on the recommendation, and please note that you can't use more than 15 tags. Same with Redbubble, you can't use more than 15 tags. Same with, in fact, as I speak to you, Teespring don't let you use tags anymore. Correct me if I'm wrong, but they don't let you use tag anymore. Teepublic, you have a plugin which is called Tag Match Informer or something like that. It's a paid version, paid plugin, sorry, where you go and find tags, popular tags, trending tags, and the rest. So you can go through that and just make use of that. Trust calls, that is very important. When it comes to trust, let me start with Teespring. Teespring, you must have made sales, at least 10 sales, before they start pushing you organically. If you don't make that sale, you find it that you're not making sales. But once you made your first 10 sales, they start to push you organically. For Teepublic, it's quite easy. For Teepublic, you just have to, maybe if you create a trendy design, maybe you create a design based on trend and people see it and they love it, they buy. They don't put you on the black side or dark hole where as a new seller they don't see you because you are new and you don't have a trust code. No, they allow you, as long as you are creative, they showcase your design, and that's it. Same with Redbubble don't put you in a dark book. As long as you make good design, use good tags, you're gonna get noticed. But Match by Amazon, quite competitive, so you have to go through the process of finding the best tags to use. That's just the way it is. So when it comes to more items you can sell, I'm going to group this on Redbubble and Teespring. You have variety of items you can pick from. You have duvets, mugs, jotter, notepad, notebook, cases. So many, but it's limited on Teespring. Teespring don't have so many design. On Match you have so many too. I think they have a pin or so, they call it pin pop or something like that. I can't remember the name. But my friends always tell me they have that. But when I look at what they offer on Match by Amazon and look at Teepublic, I think Teepublic has more. Match, Redbubble also has more. So when it comes to that, I go with Teepublic and Redbubble when it comes to that. Design quality, I would like to clarify, design quality is very important. What I've noticed is that Teespring always have a good design quality, because when you buy your own shirt and you look at it, you get to like the quality. Same with Redbubble quality is not bad, but remember one thing you have to know what you're dealing with, if you are making for your own brand or for sale. Teespring, I have to take a note. Like in the beginning, I said when you want to create design, when you want to start a design, it asks you whether you want a premium shirt or just a classic shirt. So those two give you different qualities, and it depends, the price is going to skyrocket depending on the quality. Same with Match by Amazon, its price is going to vary. So that's it. When it comes to quality of design, I always stick around with Redbubble and Teepublic. Finally, I will not say finally, because I must still go through some things in this video. When it comes to interface, as you can see from the beginning, I already told you, when it comes to interface, Redbubble, you can see sell your art. When you click on this, you can upload that after you've registered. You can upload and just put in your description and the rest. So you see it's quite easy with Redbubble. Same with Teepublic design. So once you signed up, it's going to say upload design. So that way you're going to be able to just upload your designs, and it's as simple as that. Your tag, your everything, just upload and get things working, get your sales coming in. Remember, I'm going to do an in-depth tutorial on each and every site apart from Match by Amazon. I have to be truthful with you. I'm not going to do an in-depth design or in-depth video on Match by Amazon, but I'm going to do an in-depth on Redbubble, Teepublic, and Teespring. So for Teespring, when it comes to design interface, well, it's quite easy, but you just have to know which to click at every given time. But when you get used to it, it's super easy to do. Like my friends tell me, they say it's not easy at first on Match by Amazon. You have to go through the process and all. So this is the part you've all been waiting for, where I'm going to tell you my very best when it comes to print on demand. I'm going to give you my best. I'm going to rate them. So the third for me is Teespring. I really don't upload on Teespring that much anymore. I really don't upload much on Teespring. Redbubble is my second favorite. I give it the second position. Based on they don't put in a black hole, so you get to promote your designs. Your designs get promoted for you. Your design get promoted from you right on the start without wasting time. And my very first is Teepublic. Yes, Teepublic remains my very best because you can upload bulk. Give you the option for bulk uploads. It gives you recommended tags. It's easy to use. You just have to adjust little. You can change colors. It's super easy to use. It does not take you time. You can just go around. See the interface as simple as ABC. You just scroll through, put your design, put your elements, and your design comes out. Remember, I'm going to be making an in-depth tutorial on each and every one of these sites, so make sure you don't miss that. To your right, you see my playlist. Make sure you watch the playlist, and I've linked to how to get the best tags on Redbubble. So make sure you check that out, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day. Bye.